First one, you have two line equation. You want to find their intersecting. They say they are already intersecting at point C. Okay. So what you do is you just, in secondary school, when I say find intersection of two lines or two curves, what you do is you take y1 equals to y2 because satisfying both equations means that you satisfy both equations. You want the x value which gives the same y value when you equate them like that. So same thing for line. If you want them to equate, right, L1 equals to L2, that's how you find the position of C. So once you're done, you just write this. L1 will be just OH, just substitute 1, 2, minus 1, plus lambda, 1, minus 1, 5. Then this is OB 2, 4, minus 5, plus mu 2, 1, 1. The only thing which I will say in some of your working is, please use calculator to solve simultaneous equation. Because calculator, no one is going to give you marks for simultaneous equation. Some of you still go and do manual method. So please use calculator to solve this simultaneous equation here. So this is like minus lambda minus mu equals to 2. Then this will be 5 mu minus mu 5 lambda minus mu equals to -4. Okay, so key in calculator. You will expect it to have unique solution. So just key all of this equation down and hope for the best. Okay, so here will be apps simultaneous equation, then 3 equations, 2 unknowns, and then you just press next and you just solve it. This is 1 minus 2 1 -1 -1 2 and 5 -1 and -4. Okay, then solve it and you get -1 -1. So from GC, lambda equals -1, mu equals -1. So essentially OC, just sub back into the equation, either one will do. So hence 1, 2, -1, -1, -1, 5, 1, 3, -6, 0, -0, -0, 3, -6. Okay, so this is a pretty okay question here. Draw it out. Don't be paiseh to draw it out. So first thing is you know that the intersection of these two lines, this is C. Then after L1 and L2. Okay, L1 you have got B. What's B? L1 is A. So 1, 2, -1. So A. 1, 2, -1 here. Then after which you have got what do you call it? 1, 2, -1. Then you were told that A and B, right, is actually perpendicular to A and B is actually perpendicular to L2. So if A is here, then B will be here. Okay, this is A. They told you that this is 90 degrees, man. So A is 1, 2, -1. Then B is actually 2, 4, -5. So 2, 4, -5 here. Okay. Now take note, as far as line of reflection or any kind of reflection is concerned, what should you use? I mentioned before, any kind of midpoint or mirror image use any kind of mirror image or line of reflection use mirror ratio theorem. Okay, because as long as your image and you is equal distance to the mirror, then you need to, as long as this law of physics still applies, then you need to use this ratio. Unless like next time if the rule changes, then maybe you need to but though law of physics will remain the same. So just make sure that this is 1:1. So make sure that you know how to get this A prime here. Okay, the first thing is to know that you should use a mirror image. Okay, if you've forgotten about it, highlight it somewhere. So once done, this done already, just highlight this. So now we want to find A prime. So finding A prime is pretty okay because by ratio theorem or midpoint theorem, this is 1:1, right? OB is equals to OA plus OA divided by 2. So OA prime is equals to 2OB minus OA. OB will be 2, 4, negative 5, so it's 2, 4, negative 5. And then minus of 1, 2, negative 1. Okay, OA prime is what we need. So OA prime here will be 4 minus 1, 3, 8 minus 2, 6 minus 10 minus 9. This is OA prime. Okay. Then if OA prime is, so C is actually 0, 3, negative 6, right? OA prime, we already found it, which is 3, 6 minus 9. What you need is this direction here. This is direction of CA. So direction of line of reflection will just be C to A, which is 3, 6 minus 9 minus of 0, 3, negative 6. That will be 3, 3, 3. Okay, so this is 1, 1 minus 1. Direction vector can be simplified. So hence, line of reflection, which is L, R. You can either use OA prime or C. So I'm going to use OA prime plus alpha 1, 1 minus 1. Alpha is real value. Okay. So that is your answer there. 0, 3, 0, 3. Yeah. So you can use this or this. This one can be OC or OA prime. Okay. That's it. That's how I do this part.